How to know if your girlfriend is a gold digger? Whether she is with you because she loves you to the core, or she is with you because of your background, because of your high society status. Hello everyone, this is Shivani Singhal and I'm an author, and I upload daily video, not daily but routinely I upload messages helping my followers in their relationship issues. And today's topic is because of many boys, because they asked me this question multiple of times, that how to know whether their girlfriend is a gold digger or whether she is interested in him and she's head over heels for him. So here are a few tips to know for you guys. And first of all, this video messages is not for those guys who actually impressed or pursued their girl by showing his financial status, his bank account, and showing that her lifestyle would completely change if she comes to him. This video is for those genuine boys who actually want to know if their girl is interested in him or in his financial status or background, family background. So let's start with it. First thing is, you need to focus on the type of conversations you two have, whether she is more into you and the bond that you two share, or she is all about the family assets that you own, that your family members wear such high brands, that your sister uses Versace, that your mother wears Prada, Gucci, and you wear Rolex or Armani, all these accessories that you own. She's more into you and the type of bond you two share, rather than your family background, rather than the accessories, cars, vehicles, and luxuries you own, and the countries you have been to. So the conversation between you two is all about your issues, that the type of things you look for, in each other, and the things that she totally adores in you. She is all about you rather than your accessories, your family background, your family business, and all. So this thing will tell you. Secondly, that she uses, when she introduces you to her girlfriends, when she talks about you, it's about actually you, rather than the things you own, rather than the brands you wear or the things you give her, or all those things. She's not using you as a showpiece to make a reputation, or to make a standard in front of her friends. She's not showing off about you. She's just telling you like what a person you are, and how you make her feel, and how she feels, and how she's grateful to have you, not your pockets full of money. So, and thirdly, she doesn't complain when you gift her something and it has a sentimental value. She gets it, rather than complaining to you about some dress, some expensive thing or place that she imagined you would do, that she imagined that you would gift her an Armani watch or a Swarovski watch. She, rather than, she gets your feelings, she values your feelings, all those gifts you do, and she doesn't, instead of valuing those sentimental things, valuing your feelings, if she is complaining that she wants that and you could do this for her, all those tantrums she is giving to you, that you could buy me that dress, you could do anything for me, and other than, what did you do? You gave me this handwritten greeting card. Sentimental things, all those small things you do for her, she should value those things more. And for any girl who is in love with a boy, the best gift for her is to know how much her boy loves her. Because girls, we are like blah, and boys, they very rarely share their feelings about the girlfriend. They very rarely they express their heart, pour their heart out. And if you are doing that for her, and that thing matters nothing to her, rather than she's interested in how much expensive gift you are giving to her. So there is the point where you need to focus on that there's something wrong. Apart from that, the places you are taking her to, she wants to go only to 5-star hotels, she just want to go to that big resort, rather than just having an ice cream with you in your car, or just taking a leisurely walk. I know, I totally get it, that all the girls have different preferences, but all I want to say, that she values spending time with you, What matters to her is the quality of time you two are spending, rather than the place, rather than the surrounding, rather than the attention. When you are there, all that should matter to her is you, the bond, the time that you two have got for each other, rather than like where you guys are sitting or which place is that. you know her life, conversation, and everything should be about you two, rather than the lifestyle, rather than the status. Obviously, if you're taking her, it shouldn't matter to her much that whether you are taking her in the Land Cruiser, in a Land Rover, or in a Desire, or Swift i10 or i20, or whatever car it is. That shouldn't matter to her. The thing which should matter to her is that you are sitting next to her, holding her hand. Car, vehicle, how luxurious car that is. I just want to say that more importance should be given to the bond between you two, rather than the lifestyle, luxury. Because if she already knows that you are a guy and you would do good in your life, and for both of you, she should stay satisfied, rather than boasting about it all around, rather than being rather than showing her friends and everything. Okay, I sit only in a Land Cruiser, my boyfriend owns you know so Mercedes, BMW. That shouldn't the talks about you that she should be discussing. The talk should be how you take care of her, how much you love her, and how much you are into her. Those should be the things she should be concerned about, rather than your vehicles, rather than the places you're taking her to, rather than the gifts you are giving to her. That means all those materialistic things are more important to her, and whoever will provide her those things, her heart will go to that person. So this is the thing where you have to see that what type of conversations you guys are having, and what all things just keep on revolving in her head. If it is all about cash, money, places, rather than the bond, rather than just sitting there, being in that moment, and feeling that warmth between you two, and having a heart to heart talk. And just when some person is totally in you, you just all the things are around you, and just be don't get blinded by her beauty and by her lifestyle and everything. Just focus, and you will see everything. I have this belief that you already know that what she is more interested in, whether she's interested in you or your background. You already know it. You just have to open your eyes, and like like a third person, and for your welfare and for your happiness, just judge it and admit the truth. If she's in you, and if she's ready to take care of you. Because we all know this thing, that all these materialistic things do not stay with us always. Like sometimes you might have to go through a rough patch, and you feel like that you would lose everything. And I just want to say, I just hope this doesn't happen. If tomorrow you go through a very difficult times, will she be there with you? Will she be the same person with you? This is the thing you need to focus on. That even if you do not own all those things, will she be still there with you? An answer should be yes. Your heart should say yes. If your answer is yes, then this girl is for you. I hope she is for you, and you guys, and she's totally head over heels for you, and you guys have a very wonderful relationship. And I just wish you all the best. And if she's not into you, and all those things which I have just mentioned, and if you feel like that she is that kind of a girl, then you really need to get very cautious and careful about this person. All the best to you.